Okay.
So 70 is the X1?
52.
Oh, do you only count the yeses?
But the total is so yeah, we're only counting the yeses because it's who can taste PTC.
Okay, so the X1 is 52.
And then the total is 70 because that'd be the population. Ooh, wait a second. Yeah, because we're just looking at females. Yeah, we don't do the total.
So P2 is 42 then. Yeah.
Which is P2 X2 then?
So it's 52 over 70 and then 42 over 59.
Yeah.
So on the Excel spreadsheet, then we have X1 is over N1 and X2 is over N2?
Yes.
Is that how it works? So 52 over 70 and 42 over 59?
Yes. And our confidence level is at 95. Oh, they don't say anything, so I think we just assume. And then the type of test is a difference. So P1 is different than P2. Okay, and so then P hat for 1 is 0.743. Is that what you guys got?
Yeah. Okay, so use the data in the table to find P hat. Why does that say P hat 1? Does that, oh, I guess that's how it's written.
Yeah,
So-
just group 1.
So 0.743.
0.743, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the next one's 0.712.
I got 0.307.
Oh.
I got
42 over
0.712.
59, right?
Yeah,
X2.
I got
I got-
0.712 as well.
It's
I got
42
0.712.
over, it's 42 over 59,
Yeah.
right? 42, X2, and then N2 is 59. Oh, now it says that. Oh, I had just clicked something. That was weird. There we go. Okay. 0.71. That wouldn't make sense if it was the one I was saying, so. Point 712. I feel like I'm just rushing everything now and just trying to get done with this class that I don't really ever double check anymore. I think
Yeah.
it's going to pay for it. Okay, we are looking at,
It's the 4th one, right?
That's what I was gonna say. Are we dealing with P hat then instead of just P?
Never mind, I didn't read that one.
I think it's the first one. Because it says let P1.
Yeah,
and
that's
then
what I would say is the
P1.
first.
So we're just trying to see if P1 is different from P2 and there was no hats on top of those.
Yes.
You need to get in bed away.
The book says it's the first one.
Create a confidence interval for P1, P2, input your intervals. Okay, margin of error. Okay, that's where we have to do the equation. Blech. What is the point estimate for this 95% confidence interval? Is it just P?
Point estimate is P hat, right? Or is it P? I think I wrote it in my notes.
I
Where?
wrote it in here. Oh.
Oh, point estimate. Wait, P
P1.
hat is the point estimate of P.
So P1 minus P2, is that what you guys got for the confidence interval? So P1 minus P2, so our point estimate would be whatever that equals. Did you guys write that huge thing? Am I in the right lesson? Yeah, confidence for two proportions. Is that what we're doing?
P1 minus P2.
Right? Did I go back?
I think so.
Okay. So I think it's P hat 1 minus P hat 2, and then plus the margin of error where it's like Z times the square root of blah, 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 both of those added together, you know?
Wait,
That
so
makes sense.
P hat 1 plus P hat 2?
P hat 1 minus P hat 2, and then that's like, I'll show you my equation. I'll go back to this. I'm not, where are we at? Google? I'll show you this one. Do you guys have this?
Put it
this?
up a little bit. Put it up. Let's see.
P hat 1 minus that, and then plus, and then
Oh, yeah,
this
yeah,
is the margin of error. So I think the point estimate is the answer for those two, right? I mean, I would just think so, because in the other problems, that's what the point estimate was. know, and if we're wrong, we're wrong.
I was just trying to look at the book, but
That's what I'm doing.
So it'd be, if we do that, it's 0.743 minus 0.712.
I think so. That doesn't really make sense either, but kind of does though. 0.7,
so can we
we're
can't put that in the Excel spreadsheet? Is that not in there?
0.031. And the margin of error. Sorry, Christy, what did you say? I didn't hear you. I was thinking of this.
That's not it. We can't get that from this spreadsheet, right? That's not in there.
I don't think so. I don't know. I don't think it's P because that problem says, you know, and that first part in that equation is our point estimate, and then we plus or minus the margin of error, you know, and all the other kind of things. So. What is the over 70 plus 0.712 minus 0.712 over 50. And then is this a 95%? So 1.96, right? That's Z, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. 6. Okay.
So you put that into the applet, right?
I'm doing this part by hand. I don't know how to find the margin of error with the applet.
Oh my gosh. So what did you say the number 6 was? The point estimate? Was that the 1.7?
That should be 0.031.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Because that is just P hat 1 minus P hat 2.
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
Which is that first part of that equation. So I guess, and it would make sense because we're just knowing
Oh yeah.
the difference. We're just not trying to find an actual thing. So if it's going to be so little, I think
Yeah, that makes sense.
Does that okay?
Yeah, especially because at the top it says to use all this information for the next 9 questions, and we know what P hat 1 and P hat 2 are. So
Yeah.
Okay.
So and then the margin of error,
I'm not there yet.
what's
No.
our equation for that?
although the information says P1 and P2, not P hat 1 and P hat 2. So like that 0.73 minus 0.712, those are P hat. Does that change something?
My equation says P hat. My equation's all P hats.
So mine is for the confidence intervals, mine have the P hat, but what about where it says
Like in the information right above.
confidence, right, for P1 minus P2?
Right, so that's my question. Are we supposed to use P hat minus P hat 2, or is there a P1 somewhere?
I don't know.
Which P1 would be the 52 minus 42, right?
That wouldn't make sense. So
No, that would be weird. Oh well. So what's the formula for the margin of error? Is that super long?
that super long square root one. Do you guys have that one? Do you want me to show it to you again?
I'm trying to find it in the book.
I think I have it, but show me again.
It's this one. I'm not on the TV thing. Okay. It's that one on the top. That's the margin of error. Z, sorry, I'm really sloppy, but Z times P hat 1
Okay.
times 1 minus P hat over N plus P hat 2 times 1 minus, that one.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
My phone is loud.
And Z's what? 1.9.
1.96. That's
Yeah.
95 in the 95 percentile,
Yeah,
right?
it is. Yeah.
Starly,
Yeah?
would you be able to take a picture of that formula and send it to me? Like when you have a second, you don't have to right now.
It is in the book at the very bottom, like in that chapter, if you go all the way
Which
down
one?
to the bottom, chapter 18, the online, whatever it is, under confidence intervals, managing
Oh.
fox populations. I found it under that.
Okay, now I see it.
Wait, so is our N1 70 for female?
Yeah.
Okay.
That doesn't make sense. Oh, no. Then what would these two be? What does it say those are? Okay, so then 0.03, so then 0.134 plus 0.031. Oh, sweet. Okay, good. This is right. Okay.
Okay, let me punch my numbers and see if I get what you got.
Yeah, me too. I'm doing it right
I'm
now.
so glad that we were guessing right there because, okay, guys, I just double checked it and I got the right intervals and everything, so. Takes forever to do the margin of error.
Yeah, forever.
So can I just tell you what I have? So I'm doing 0.73 minus 0.712 plus or minus.
Wait, what? What?
No, it's 0.73 times 1 minus 0.743. So it's really 0.743 times 0.257 because that's what 1 minus, because you just do p hat 1 completely in one section and then you plus the p hat 2 completely in the other section.
Yeah.
Okay. So 0.73 times 1 minus 0.73 over 70.
0.743. Yeah, over 70.
And
Yep.
then plus the same thing.
Wait,
the
over
0.712.
70?
Yeah, because
Yeah,
that is
that's
the women's one. That's the women's sample.
But
And
isn't
the
it N1 plus 2?
I just got
No.
That's what my equation says.
Mine just says, but mine says N1 and I got the right
Okay.
thing. So I think it's this one.
Yikes. What's the one that has the N1 plus 2 on the bottom?
N1 plus 2. That's for finding, isn't that for finding the, something about a plus 2 somewhere back here.
It's okay. It's all right. All right. So, and then it is it plus the 0.712 plus 1 minus
Yeah.
0.712
Plus.
over 59.
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
0.72. Yeah. Yep.
Did you get, so it would be like 0.031 plus or minus 0.006?
What'd you get, Starly?
Wait, what are you for 7? I got 0.154. Because you have to remember to times the z by the
Oh, I
square
forgot
root of
to-
all that.
I forgot to square root.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, oops.
What'd you get, Starly?
0.154.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that what you got?
Yeah.
I'm going really slow.
That took for freaking ever.
Yeah. Seriously. Wait, could we have just added the 2 together and divided it by 2? Hold on. Like, you know, when they told us in the very beginning, remember that?
What?
Hold on 1 second.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's what I initially went to, like in my head. I feel like we can. I feel like they had something like that in the book. Let me look.
Yes, we could have done that.
Done what?
the upper minus the lower divided by 2. Ugh. Okay, let's remember that. It's so much faster. Upper minus lower divided by 2, because that gives us the same exact answer. And then we don't
Okay,
have
wait, so what was the margin of error?
0.154.
Oh my gosh, I don't even understand this. Okay.
So now you can
So then-
just do, instead, like, remember when you taught us how it's the upper minus the lower? You just go back to your categorical data analysis thing and look at your 2 intervals that they already gave us.
Mhm.
And then do the
Oh.
upper minus the lower and divide it by 2, and that gets us the answer. That way we don't have to do that huge problem ever again.
Wait, where does it say upper and lower?
Yeah.
Confidence interval, it's out down here, like you see Z, you see p-value.
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
so negative 0.123 is the lower.
Yep, uh-huh.
So it would have been negative 0.123
No,
minus 0.185.
It would have been 0.185. Remember, upper minus lower, 0.185.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Divided by 2. Oh, my word.
That was so much
So
faster.
that would have been,
Ugh,
Oh, well, I guess now we really appreciate
now we know. Yeah, now we know that we always find it. Yeah. Now we'll do every other problem way faster. So then 8 is negative 0.123. Jackie, did you still want that picture, or do you want to just do it that other way?
I'll do it the other way.
Wait, but did you get for number 7, did you get a negative? I got a positive.
I got 0.154. Sorry.
Right. So if you do it like how we were just saying, it's a negative answer.
No, you upper minus the lower.
Right.
So upper and
Oh,
then
no,
minus
you're
the-
right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry. Oh,
You're
dear.
good.
I didn't input my stuff into that Excel. What was 8 and 9? Or
8 is negative 0.123. 9 is 0.185. 10 is the first one because it's
higher than that. Yeah.
'cause that's higher. And then 11 is the fourth.
Oh, wait,
So we're
sorry.
looking for differences.
What was 10? Sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
We're going to fail to reject the
We're
null
going to fail to reject it.
Sorry.
because there's not enough evidence that there's a difference, right?
And then for the 11th, we're looking for a difference. So it's definitely not the first 2. And so then the last one, insufficient.
Right.
We failed to reject it. Okay. For the next 9, okay, hard check out of, okay. So 16713 over 118519. Okay, that must be group 1. Okay, then 6155 out of 42447. And that must be group 2. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay. We're talking about died. Let P1 be the persons who had a heart attack and were admitted and who died. Let P2 be the ones who were admitted on the weekend who died. Okay. So yeah, P1, P2. Okay. Is the proportion of patients who have heart attack and are admitted who die less than the patients who have a heart attack and are admitted on the weekend who die? So our null hypothesis will be P1, wait, which one's less? Weekday, okay, is less than P2. Did you guys get that? I mean, I know that we don't have to do that yet, but I was just thinking about it.
I think that's right. That's the 4th one, right? On question 13.
Oh, is that one of them? Okay. 16713.
But we need to do the hypothesis test, which,
18. Well, they do it right here for you.
oh yeah, I've got that. So we're looking at what?
You can see if it equals 10. 6155. The first sample and the
Oh,
second
yeah.
sample, that one.
Yeah, yeah.
2, 4,
So we're
4.
good. That should be true.
Yeah.
And we're looking for P1 is less than P2, that test. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so it's true. which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
Proportion.
So it's either equals, or I think it's the fourth.
Yeah.
Right? They said weekday, not weekend, right? The one really
P1 is weekday.
okay. Use the data to find P1.
So that should be 0.141
What you guys
That's
got
what
here?
I got.
and then 0.145.
Yeah.
Z-score negative 2.020.
Wait, I'm not there yet. 16. Yep, negative 2.02.
To the left, right?
Right, because we're going less than.
Yeah.
Give this a- What is the p-value for this test? 0.022? Did you guys get that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this kind of homework.
Hey.
What-
Wait, what did you get for the 0.022? Where did you get? Where's that?
On the p-value?
On the p-value.
On the last little graph.
I got 0.043.
Well, make sure your type of test is P1 is less than P2 instead of P1 equals.
Oh. Yeah, I did not do that.
Did mine automatically do that by itself? Because I didn't switch mine.
Maybe yours is one of those amazing.
Maybe mine's a magical.
Yeah, mine didn't. It stayed on the last one that I entered.
I didn't switch mine and it switched itself. That's really weird.
Weird. Huh. So we're going to reject
Is it 0.05? that
because
would
it's
be-
low.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, so there is sufficient evidence that the proportion of recent papers we do tell you it's less than.
3.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Submitting. Please don't have any zeros, please. Just say 1 all the way down. Oh, good. 1. 100%.
Yay.
Okay, so then for the whatchamacallit?
Study.
Yeah. Wait, let me grab my feedback really quick.
Okay.
So are you the only one who got the feedback? No,
Yes,
we did
I
not. It was
submitted
just you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Starly, can I get a little more detail from you guys on how you will obtain the sample? Who will you sample? How will you pick it? Email me the changes and you will earn full credit. So we have 9 out of 10 right now. So,
Right.
So how will you obtain the sample? Who will you sample and how will you pick it? So I'll pull it back up really quick and I'll screen share once I have it up.
Okay.
That'd be fun if I didn't save it. Like, ah. Okay, here we go. Okay, screen sharing. Share. There we go. Let's all look at Jackie.
No, I'm sorry.
No, I'm
I'm
just joking.
tired.
There we go. Okay. First of all, did I spell everybody's names right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't
Jackie,
see.
do you want to be Jacqueline? Or do you want to just be Jackie? Did I spell your name right, Christy?
Yeah, you did.
Okay, good. And Jackie, do you want to be
Mine's
Jacqueline or do you want to be Jackie? What?
It's fine.
Okay. Okay.
My papers, so.
Wait, which part did she want us to do? How?
The sampling or whatever.
Oh, is it probably when I just said we will use G? Right? Which statistical, it should be one of the following. we will use the, that sounds pretty good to me. Is that all? Is that all we had to do? Oh, maybe this one. Review the different data collections. Note the true sample would be difficult if you chose a random sample. Okay. Oh, maybe this one. Describe. Okay, here we go. Okay. Describe in specific detail how your group will collect data. This section should have enough detail that a reasonably intelligent person. Oh, I didn't even read that part. Okay.
Reasonably intelligent.
All right. So how are we going to decide who we sample?
So let me look at what she asked again. No, not that.
I would just say we're going to ask family and friends. Each of us are going to do maybe
How would you
15
pick
family and friends or something.
And how will you pick it? Okay.
I'm gonna post mine on Facebook, I think.
Okay. How? We're gonna ask 15 family and friends, each of us. Is that what we said?
Sure.
Oh, that sounds good to me.
We're gonna survey, right?
Yeah.
We're going to give 15 family/friends who fall into the category, right?
Yeah.
Category again that they're
Well-
over.
Well, who fall into the adults, more specifically females,
Okay.
who satisfy maybe I'll say that, maybe not fall into.
Requirements or.
Yeah. Who satisfy the requirements. A survey of the questions. Did we already write our survey somewhere? Right?
Yeah.
I thought we did, didn't we?
Yeah, we did at the bottom.
It's further
The
down.
survey. Here we go. A survey of the questions seen in number 13. Okay. Who? Okay, I'll just say how/who. Right? Is that all you wanted us to say? How will you pick it? Okay, who will you sample? How you obtain a sample? Oh, I guess we'll say some of us will use Facebook. Should I say that?
And some will use paper, right?
Some of us will use.
What is she asking? How are we going to pick who we survey?
Who will you sample? How will you pick?
So how will you pick would probably be like, we're going to pick family and friends or
Yeah.
Relief Society members or
Or Facebook friends or
some kind of, I think we have to like define like, how are we going to pick who we survey?
Family and friends. That's where we go. Is that pretty specific, do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
A survey of the questions seen. Some of us will use Facebook, others through direct contact. That sounds good, right? That's specific, do you think? Okay, if you were a reasonably intelligent person and you looked at this.
Depends on the day.
Yeah. Do we define the word cluster? Because if I was reasonably intelligent, I would not get the word cluster either. Okay.
yeah,
I
I didn't really understand cluster until this class, so
Right.
Specifically, is it just females? Should we be more specific about the age range?
adult females, so
18 and older.
yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be old enough where they're buying their own paper towels. So
Years and older.
That are independent.
right.
There's plenty of 18-year-olds that aren't independent.
True, but they've probably gone to the store for their mother, right?
Yeah.
We just count that into it.
But they probably go what their mom says. Like,
True.
Yeah, so they'll be with them anyways. So that's true. Okay. Should we say 20?
Yeah, we could.
Yeah,
If it's
that's,
20, that takes him out of high school.
yeah, that's good.
Okay. Okay. Survey questions, some of us. Okay. That sounds pretty good to me, right? I'll
Yeah.
email this. Okay. Sounds good.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
So what is the next step? Do we need to start surveying then?
That's when, isn't that when we get the break?
If we survey now, we get in trouble, it said.
Oh,
Oh, really?
Yeah, like,
Oh,
good job,
Yeah.
Jackie. Reading the direct.
Because I'm like, I'm all for like posting the survey tomorrow and just getting it done.
Getting it.
But
Yeah.
why would we get in
it
trouble?
said in the instructions, like, we have to get the questions approved.
oh, but didn't she
Be
approve them?
ethical or something.
No.
I
Well,
think we have to submit it to something else. Is that what it said?
That's right. I read
don't
about.
know.
Oh, okay. Wait. Am I supposed to do that? What does that say at the bottom here? I'll screen share again so you guys can help me read it and see if we can.
Okay.
Screen share. Okay. Your instructor will sign off below if your survey is approved. Your survey is approved if you see a signature in this step. When your instructor has his, wait, should I open it up? Like in the actual, when your instructor has his signature in step 15, you may register your project with the university's human subjects board. Okay, wait. Is it on there? Oops. So, oh, do I go to here and would she have put something on it? Maybe?
I would read it just to see.
Yeah.
Maybe
Okay, well,
waiting for us to,
just to turn it back in.
yeah.
Yeah,
then-
that's what I thought.
Your instructor, you may register. Okay, so when register your project with go to do so, go to here, click this link, fill out the form, submit it, wait for registration approval from the attach proof of registration from step 16 to the project proposal for your teacher. Each group member sign below that you will not collect data until your project has been approved in writing by your instructor in step 19. You will sign off below if your project is approved. Your project is approved if you see a signature. Okay, I see. That's why the person hasn't signed it. Well, your survey. Okay.
And we
So
do the collect the
I'll email
data
this
next
tonight
week.
then, so then she can send it back. So then we can. Yeah, I'll send this to you guys too, right?
Okay.
Because
Yeah, if you want to even just email it to
Well,
us.
am I supposed to do this whole thing since I'm the design the study person? Is this,
We can help you. Can't we just do it together? What is
yeah.
that?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, this stuff.
Just tell us what you need us to do.
Yeah, that's a lot of stuff.
So I'll just email this back to her, and then I'll let you guys know if she says, I'll just let you know the feedback.
Okay. And
If
then
she
when
says,
you're,
okay,
when we're
register
ready,
it,
just let
and I'll be like, then I'll ask, do we all have to register it, or is that, well, it's just that since my name is there, maybe I'm supposed to be the one to, because I mean, since it says design the study, everyone writes up and submits their collected data document. Oh, that's different. Maybe it's supposed to come from me again, since my name is there. I don't get it. I'll email this to you guys anyways, though, just so everybody has it, so.
And I'll probably start the PowerPoint now, like after she had approves this step, and I'll just start doing one slide at a time.
Yeah, start getting pictures of paper towels.
I'll look over it.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, I'll email it and I'll let you guys know when she applies it, and then
Okay.
I'll ask her if we all need to